Don't forget about Boxing Day, unveiling stats and sales insights. The stats of Boxing Day sales. When it comes to the holidays this time of year, you may think that Black Friday and Christmas are the big ones to focus on, but I'm begging you not to ignore the big sale opportunities just after Christmas. I am talking, of course, about Boxing Day, aka Offering Day, and the January sales. The January and Boxing Day sales give businesses the opportunity to get rid of extra stock from Christmas before the 2023 refresh. These sale events also give customers the chance to swap presents they don't want, as harsh as that sounds. So, if you are planning on being open on Boxing Day and continuing the discounts until February, you should already be letting your customers know. Despite all the spending over Christmas, Boxing Day is still a celebrated event in the UK calendar. In fact, the UK is only one of the few places where Boxing Day is a national holiday. So, with that in mind, let's look at some stats. Contrary to popular belief, men are more likely to spend money on Boxing Day, with 23% of men interested in shopping on Boxing Day, compared to women at just 20%, according to Finder.com. On average, people who are hoping to shop want to spend between £51 to £100. However, Gen Zs are more likely to participate in the event, with 42% of those in that age range planning on spending around £495 on Boxing Day, followed by millennials at £386. London is the biggest spender, with 36% of their population planning on shopping this Boxing Day, are willing to spend around £750 compared to other regions in the UK. All have an average of just 20% of their population participating in Boxing Day sales. According to Barclaycard, they have predicted that Brits will spend about £3.7 billion in the post-Christmas sale, but this will be £200 million less than last year because of the cost of living crisis. Despite the cost of living crisis being such a strain on the economy of the UK, many are hoping to take advantage of the price cuts. However, despite the opportunity of a fast sales push, some businesses still aren't actively involved in Boxing Day or even January sales, as this is still considered a national holiday. So, if you are planning to be open on the 26th, you need to let people know. In fact, you should put in just as much effort when it comes to marketing for Boxing Day and the 2023 sales, as you did for other big events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Marketing for Boxing Day sales. Let people know you're involved through the usual marketing communications. You've got social media, paid ads, email, website pop-ups, blogs, etc. Just make sure that your website is well prepared for Boxing Day sales, particularly if you're going to have online sales. Here is a quick checklist to get your website up to scratch for the peak. You should also check that your website and all your social media content include SEO/keywords that represents the holiday and all your fantastic offers. By including keywords associated with the holiday, you can give your website a higher chance of popping up on Google searches. And if you use trending hashtags for the holiday, your profiles will be more likely to appear in people's feeds. Therefore, just by participating in the event, you have the opportunity to expand your reach on social media, increase engagement, and possibly push your website up in Google rankings. However, after Christmas and getting 2022 out of the way, many people don't want to spend time focusing on their marketing for the new year. That's why we suggest outsourcing and preparing early by bringing on an agency in late November or early December. Here at Bacon Marketing, we are here to run your additional campaigns, market new job roles, or just pick up any marketing you don't have time for during your busiest period. Then if you like what we do, we can extend the work we do for as little or as long as you want. We can help you to maximize the effectiveness of your digital marketing campaigns while keeping costs down. We are your extra pair of marketing hands. Get in touch with our digital marketing executive, April Ely, to discuss how we can help prep for your peak. You can also find out more here. Prep for peak, Bacon Marketing. Reach her at april@baconmarketing.co.uk. We are beyond. Bacon Marketing provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business. It's unique. Then we get to work on planning, building your strategy, and adding sizzle to your marketing. Our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic.